I step into the grand halls of the Library of Alexandria. Marble floors gleam beneath my sandals, polished by centuries of footsteps. Towering shelves stretch toward the vaulted ceilings, each packed with papyrus scrolls, tied with silk ribbons, their inscriptions in Greek, Egyptian, and unknown languages. The air smells faintly of ink, parchment, and the lingering smoke of oil lamps. A soft echo of scholars' voices fills the vast chamber, debating, reading, and copying knowledge that spans the entire known world. Everywhere I look, the library pulses with life. Tables are stacked with scrolls of ancient maps, astronomical charts, and texts on medicine, mathematics, and engineering. Some scrolls hint at secrets lost to time, stories of Atlantis, devices far beyond our understanding, even the arcane philosophies of long-dead civilizations. To walk here is to feel the weight of humanity's collective memory pressing gently on your shoulders. Every corner, every shadow seems to hum with knowledge. Yet today, something is different. Whispers float through the marble halls like smoke. Scholars glance nervously toward the windows. Rumors spread of danger outside. Some say Roman warships crowd the harbor. Others speak of riots in the city streets, fires erupting in distant districts. The tension is palpable, a thin thread of fear woven into the vibrant tapestry of learning. I move closer to a high window, my eyes scanning the harbor and the city beyond. Outside, Alexandria is in turmoil. Merchants abandon their stalls, leaving carts overturned and wares scattered across the cobbled streets. Families rush toward the docks, clutching children and precious belongings. The distant clash of swords echoes faintly as soldiers scramble to maintain order. Smoke rises from the harbor, curling into the dusk sky. The city trembles under the weight of uncertainty, and yet the library stands silently, as if daring time and chaos to touch it. Then I notice a small, flickering ember floating through a high window, carried by a gust of wind. At first, it seems harmless, almost beautiful, like a glowing mote of dust. But it drifts closer to a table, stacked with delicate scrolls. Before anyone can react, it lands, igniting the parchment instantly. The fire grows faster than the mind can process, licking up shelves, devouring centuries of accumulated knowledge in seconds. Smoke begins to fill the halls, choking, black and thick. Flames dance along the marble, reflecting gold and red on the terrified faces of the scholars around me. I seize what I can, 2, maybe 3 scrolls, and clutch them to my chest. My lungs burn as I cough through the smoke, stumbling over debris, my heart pounding in my ears. The bronze doors groan open, and I push through into the night air, collapsing for a moment as the roar of the fire behind me shakes the very ground. The Library of Alexandria, humanity's greatest repository of knowledge, is collapsing in flames, a titan of wisdom reduced to ash. I turn back once more. Marble columns crack and fall, the roof caves in, and clouds of smoke rise into the night sky, carrying with them the stories, the discoveries, and the ideas of countless generations. The city watches silently, powerless to intervene. I hold the charred fragments of scrolls in my hands, trembling. Questions haunt me. Was this destruction the result of Caesar's conquest, an emperor's command, or the slow decay of neglect over centuries? I will never know. All I feel is the weight of eternity slipping away. Knowledge that could have saved lives, inspired inventions, or revealed the mysteries of the stars is gone. Yet amidst the despair, a single thought remains. Even in this loss, humanity will continue to seek, to learn, to rebuild. The library may be lost, but the human spirit, the desire to understand, endures.